Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have, force kill Snapchat and relaunch it. Whenever an app seems to be misbehaving, the first thing that I do to get rid of the issue is to force quiet it. In many cases, this little nippy trick gets the job done, as it hardly takes few seconds to try and also does not hurt your data. There is no harm in giving it a chance. So you have, while open you have used the Snapchat, so then you have double tap on home tab, so then you have remove and then you have relaunched the Snapchat app, then is working proper. If there are does not working, their second solution, you have hard reset your iPhone. When you hard reset your iPhone, certain cache and temporary files are flushed out, which often result in is fixing common iOS issues such as freezing and crashing. Therefore, you should miss out on this. Go to troubleshooter crashing. Therefore, you should miss out this option. Then so you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have enable background app refresh for Snapchat. With the background app refresh enable, apps are able to check for updates and new content in the background. It not only helps apps to remain updated with the while there is no doubt that background app refresh is power hungry and also gobble up plenty of data. You should never fail to take advantage of these features to enable some of the most demanding apps to run with needed smoothness. In this case, I would recommend it you allow Snapchat to refresh in background. There is no need to fear rapid pattern than on consumptions of the lot of cellular data or Wi-Fi. So then you have open the setting, click on background general. So then you have click on background app refresh. So from you have Snapchat on turn on from here. So then your problem will be fixed. In this time background app refresh is turned off, so then we have turn on, then from Snapchat turn on the background app refresh from here. Then fourth solution, update Snapchat on your iPhone in order to fix misaligned specs and also boost performance. Snapchat frequently releases update, hence it is better to update the app to ensure in the able to run smoothly. So then you have opened the app store, then you have searched the Snapchat and update from here. Then last solution, you have disable VPN on your iPhone. Are you using VPN service on iOS device? If yes, try deactivating the VPN on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.